if I am able to sell more than 40 units, say 45, तो जो extra 5 आया ना मेरे पास, extra 5, I am going to get 500 rupees on each mobile. 5 mobiles means 2500. 2500 सीधा चोखा profit. That's what the businessmen they use the word. That what they see that they know what is the break even. At any order or any proposal which is crossing their fixed cost limit, they'll be very happy. They'll be very happy. And here we are through PPT. I am explaining what is break even cost. But those who are illiterate, they don't know about anything about finance. All the vegetable vendors, even they know what is break even. The term may not be clear, but they know that if I am buying 50 kilograms of tomato at so and so price, then they will set up a price as per the break even only. It means from mandi se utha ke, now I will not give the example right now. We'll take another example. Here, cost volume profit analysis is the study of the effect of output. Volume. How? Suppose here the selling price, you can see that. तो बोलता हूँ आपको selling price है 1.5. Percentage of sale. 1.5 selling price. Don't see the percentage right now. 1.5 मेरा selling price है. Let us take it 15 rupees. Selling price 15 है. Variable cost is 1.2, मतलब 12. If I say selling price is 15 and variable cost is 12, so obviously, so how much you are able to save? 3 rupees. 3 rupees is what? 3 rupees is your margin. मतलब if I sell any unit at 15 rupees, then my cost to produce, to cost to sell, that is 12. 12 रुपए का आइटम 15 रुपए में बेच रहा हूँ, तो रिमेनिंग द मैक्सिमम 3 rupees I will be able to earn. 3 rupees means what? 3 rupees, 15 rupees is selling price, 3 rupees is the percentage of margin. It means it is 20%. 20% margin. So I am selling my product at 20% margin. Now there are some monthly expenditure, 3,000, 3,500, 1,500. Suppose you have monthly expenditure 18,000. Now tell me how to sell, how to calculate break even. Anyone? You know that what is fixed cost. Just now I explained. You know fixed cost, you know the margin. What will be the break even? Come on, I'm waiting for responses.
Sir, divide by margin.
This is the fixed cost, na? So 18,000 divided by what?
Sir, 3.
Good.
Sir, 3.
Good. It will be 6,000. 6,000. We have taken 100, so that's why here it will become 600. So let's say 6,000. The margin. तो कैसे आया? देखो एक बार कैलकुलेट करो इसको. What we did? Sales minus variable expenses minus fixed expenses. 0 net income. वो होता break even. So understand this concept.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'll take in different manner to understand this concept. This margin of 3 is called contribution. The contribution that is called margin, which I say na C. So that's why I mentioned C. So in short, if I write the formula, sales minus variable cost equals to contribution. Sales minus variable cost equals to contribution. 1.5 minus 1.2 equals to 3. In the percentage it is 20. So if I write in the percentage, if I write here 15 minus 12 equals to 3. If I say what is the percentage? 3. 3 is the percentage. How much percentage of 15? That is 20%. So if the same thing, if I write in C percentage, I will write 20%. Because I know sales 15, C percentage 20, 15 रुपए का sale, contribution is 20%. So obviously profit will be variable cost will be 12. Now if I know the fixed cost F, here fixed cost is 18,000. Fixed cost divided by C percentage 3 rupees. then it will come 6,000. 6,000 is BEP. It means if I sell less than 6,000 units, I won't get any profit. More than, definitely there will be a profit. How? So this is what contribution margin. So see graphical representation. Now see once again the graphical representation of this break-even point. This is what unit in thousands, and this is what fixed expenditure. अब मेरा यहाँ पर कितना है fixed expenditure? 18,000 रुपया. In the same example, it means this expenditure is common whether there will be a 0 sales or 1 or 2 or sales. मतलब if I draw the graph business में, sorry, here I draw the graph, then there are some expenditure which is common. Problem यहाँ पर है. Problem यहाँ पर है because there is a expenditure, fixed expenditure common है. Even it is 0 sales, 18,000 expenditure. 0 sale maybe when there is no sale, but even then you have to pay 18,000 rupees expenditure. Irrespective of sale, there will be expenditure. अब जब लॉकडाउन खत्म हुआ, now everything is now reopening. Gradually, we are just getting some kind of a demand. Catching some kind of a demand, then ये यहाँ से चालू नहीं होगा फिर. The revenue will start from this. यहाँ से चालू होगा. That is what variable expenditure. Variable expenses given here. We know the margin. 1 में इतना होगा, 2 में इतना होगा, 3 में इतना होगा, 4 में, because that is common. That is percentage is fixed. Now, if I want to catch the break even, then obviously, if you see the total cost from here, if you see, then there will be a loss. No, like in this manner, this, and then this. Here, like you can see that 0 down. This is your income. This is your income. कहाँ से आया? From this part, 18,000. See, this is the income, and up to this level, D point, my sales are reaching up to D level. It means my cost and expenditure both are same at par. But if I can cross if my sales can cross this limit to A point, up to A point, then there will be a profit. So the shaded area, if you can see, this shaded area is a loss, and this is a profit, net income. And these all expenses are variable, and up to C, it is total expenses, which is divided into 2 parts. Up to 18,000, it's a very fixed expenditure, and more than that, it's a variable expenditure. That is what the minimum picture, the cost, volume, profit, how to understand. So, जहां पर हम देखते हैं, when you see that yes, my sales are break even, and what is my actual sales, so I always have to see what is my actual sale, what is the break even. What is the break even, what is the actual sale? That I have to see every time. And that margin is called margin of safety also. It means I am keeping that margin with me. That margin you are maintaining. So, target. Now, if you know the BEP, then it is very simple for you. If you know BEP, मुझे पता है कि बस up to this, like in the mobile phone case, 20,000 is my expenditure. 40,000 mobile phone, 40 mobile phones I have to sell. ये तो पता है. And if I sell 41, I'll get 500. Why? Because extra one. So now target means if I want to earn 10,000 profit this month, it's very simple. I want to earn 40,000 profit. Then also you can calculate, because if I want to earn 10,000 profit and 20,000 is my fixed expenditure, तो देना ही मेरे को rent. So total how much? 30,000. Divided by how much is the margin of 500. So now how many I have to sell? 60. 40 you have to sell for the fixed cost. But if you want to earn more than that, what is target profit? 10,000. It's okay. 10,000 extra units you have to sell. So it is very easy to calculate the target once you know the break even, because anything above the break even is your profit. And that is very simple to calculate. Get profit. So that's why I said fixed expenses, you know. Here fixed expenses, you know that, like in the example, 20,000 fixed expenses for the office rent. Whatever income you want to earn, you add on that and you will get profit. It's very simple. So this is one of the examples which I mentioned over here. Using the following data, calculate break even. If the selling price is 50, variable cost is 40, fixed cost is 70, and sales are 7,500 units. How to calculate? So you see the 50 minus 40, I said the margin. 50 minus 40 is 10. 10 rupees I am going to get against one product, one unit. So break-even point will be 70,000 fixed cost है, 70,000 divided by 10, 7,000. 7,000 is the break-even. And if my sales I am expecting 7,500, so the 500 units ज़्यादा है, that is the margin of safety. It means the moment you cross 500 units, तो आपको डर लग जाएगा, भाई अरे भाई, I am reaching to break-even, I have to increase my sales. So the difference between margin of safety means what? What is your sales, actual sales or budgeted sales, and what is the break even? At 7,000, no profit, no loss. At 7,500, right now I am maintaining. So now I know that I am earning profit on 500 units. It's very much clear to me that I am earning profit on 500 units. Similarly, the same. If I want to earn 10,000 profit, if I want to earn 10,000 extra profit, and I know all the figures, selling price, variable cost, fixed cost. So the same variable sales minus variable contribution. That is how much? 15. 50,000. I know I have to take 50,000 which I have to cover plus 10 more. 50 plus 10, 60,000. So now instead of 50, now I have to cover how much? 60,000. What is the margin? 15. It will come to 4,000 units. Otherwise, to break even, you know what to do. For break even, 50,000 divided by 15. But since I want to earn more profit, target profit, so probably I have to add that amount. That's it, the break even point. I hope it's clear to everyone. So that's it from my end, Mr. Sakir. Thank you so much for patient listening. Thank you everyone for participating and
Thank you so much, sir. I, on behalf of Saket sir and myself and whole team of TEDP on food processing and Internet of Things, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
for sparing your valuable time. Thank you
Okay.
so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So participants, please mark your attendance. And once you have marked your attendance, you can leave the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello. Excuse me, ma'am.